Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're on Pho A True Street. Taxi is pretty close there. But I just kind of filmed up those bird cages, and there's some really beautiful architecture here. And I'm walking in a pretty good way, and I'm gonna go down an alley in a second. So we're just gonna we're gonna try not to get hit. This taxi is right there, and this one is right there, and we can just get by like that. Okay. So we're gonna go down an alley in a second, and let's see. Yeah, this street is fairly photogenic as well. So we're gonna take a left in a second. Look at that. There's a nice church right there. And this alley is what I want to get into. There we go. Lemongrass rolls. And the food here is amazing. Egg coffee. Somebody was telling me about that. About egg coffee. Oops, sorry. Parking space. So we're gonna get into the mess of all this stuff. Nice little alleys. It's a little bit more relaxing. Same t-shirts. Alright, this is what I would need to get into right here. This is the cool stuff. And I feel compelled to go straight. So the alleys have lots of good food in them. Lemongrass, pho, laundry shop, barber shop. That's a cool space. Warm jackets. Look at this. That street also looks pretty cool too. Loaded with guest houses and so they're cutting hair right there. That's pretty cool.
Chiquinha.